So we just finished our welding course. It was 30 hours, and we want to ask Rich here, how was his 30 hours experience with Hog on Welding?
It was fantastic. It's like you come in every day, you're doing a new technique, and by the end of the day, you've got the feel for it, and it's like, I know I can go home now and do the things I need to do. I know that I can analyze things, I can figure it out, I can solve these problems, I can make things. It's an incredible confidence building experience. It's fantastic.
So, how do you feel about the teaching style? Do you feel like the teaching style made it a little bit more comfortable for you to actually take to get
here,
more?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you come in here and Joe just gets you set down, gets you going, shows you what you're doing, keeps an eye on you. If you need some help, he'll step in and do it. When you need space to just kind of do your thing and do your drills, you've got that too, right?
Okay, so you feel comfortable now as far as after your third hour, you feel like you can go and do a little small project on your own now?
Absolutely. I want to go build an airplane and fly.
So his goal is to build an airplane. We actually made this. It's an artwork so he can take home and share it with his son, show him what he's doing, because he's about to build a plane for his son so they can fly. So we got to stay in contact with him so we know how that's going to go.
Yeah,
so,
definitely.
Man, we appreciate it, man. Thank you. Be blessed. Be safe. Hold on.